You want to give your system a special touch by adding a tablet device, copy stand or camera? Then have a look at our Mica accessories to pimp your setup. If you want to mount a camera, use the Mica Cam Stud. It's the perfect choice for mounting standard cameras and webcams. The Cam Stud allows you to easily integrate a camera to your setup via 1/4 inch thread. Securing a clear view, the Mica Cam Stud's integrated ball joint gives you the perfect camera angle. By using the included screw, you can easily fix the cam stud directly to any Mica mic arm instead of a microphone. Alternatively, mount it on top of a lid riser or Mica system pole to lift it up. To mount the lid riser on a Mica system pole, we recommend you to choose a lid spoiler to get a smooth junction between pole and cam stud. The cam stud is available in aluminum and black. If you need to take a look at notes, use the Mica copy stand. The copy stand is made of transparent acrylic glass and is available in 2 different sizes, which are A4 portrait and A3 double portrait size. Easily attach your copy stand to a Mica monitor arm. A lot of people also use their tablets. Of course, the Mica system has a solution to integrate them. Thanks to our Mica paddock, you can securely fasten your tablet computer and make it an essential part of your working area. Still, you won't give up benefits of a mobile device. Easily detach the tablet from the bracket whenever you want to take it with you. Just like the copy stand, Mica paddock has to be attached to a monitor arm via quick fix adapter. You can place almost every tablet. Thanks to a spring, it is adjustable with a range of 160 up to 300 mm. Tablets will fit both landscape and upright orientation. To get you the right light design for your setup, we offer the aluminum-colored Mica Studio Light. Studio Light can be placed the same way as the mic arms. Your Mica Studio Light has an integrated dim function. Press short for switching on and off. Press long to dim up. And press long again to dim down. The Mica Studio Light will remember the last dim value when switching it on again. The external power supply to power the Studio Light is part of the delivery. Whether cam stand, copy stand, paddock or Studio Light, choose Mica accessories that fit your specific setup requirements and add everything you need. There are a lot of options.